We're here at Exeter University installing 20 modules for the wellbeing of the students. 10 bays on the ground floor, 10 bays on the first floor. It's got several wellbeing offices where they can have a face-to-face discussion. So it's basically to help the students with their wellbeing.
Premier are delivering a full turnkey solution from design right through to groundworks, cladding and internal fit out. From start to finish it's a 6 months duration. That's from design right through to commissioning and handover. One of the reasons why Exeter University chose us is the speed of the install.
It's always important at schools and universities to keep the disruption down to a minimum. That's why we always try and get the building done during school holidays, which gives us a chance to get ready for the new term.
This is a technical installation. It's a tight footprint on the site to actually get the building and the units in, and we've had no problems and issues, although it has been challenging. The relationship with the client, it's great. We've actually installed 20 modules in 2.5 days. They've all gone in. I think we've achieved everything that we're set out to do, and we'll continue to do so throughout the duration of the fit out and right up to handover.